Hey everyone, I'm back. Did you miss me? I didn't think so. Anyways, congratulations to me for all 7 of my subscribers. Whoop, whoop, stepping it up a notch, baby. That's what I'm here for. Hey, so today we're gonna make an old-fashioned, the old-fashioned way. All right? We'll just do this quick and right. Let's go. So I like to use straight up sugar. I use 1 teaspoon. An old-fashioned is a type of cocktail, so it's going to be seasoned and sweetened, if you know what I mean. Now that we have our 1 teaspoon of sugar, we're going to use just a splash of water because we want to dilute the sugar. Once the sugar is mixed with the water, we're going to do a little muddling. Mix it up a bit, break up the sugar. Yeah, once it's muddled, we're going to use 3 squirts of bitters. 1, 2, 3. Making an old-fashioned is not exact science, so you're going to make it to your liking. You're going to be making a few, dumping a few, make it until you like it. I've made this a million times and I love it. So while the sugar, the bitters, and the water are dissolving in there, I'm going to go ahead and cut my orange wedge. Or should I say, I'm going to go ahead and cut my orange slice. I use a knife, but there's also this little guy. Your little peeler, if you just like the skin only. I like a little meat. As you can see, I already made one. Nice and strong. Now these are all muddled together. We're next going to throw in our ice. I use 3 ice cubes. When you put your sugar in, you can also use a sugar cube and just muddle it up inside. You can also use simple syrup. If you're in a hurry, simple syrup is the way to go. A lot of guys have it pre-made in the little squirt bottle and just fill it up and go. But honestly, what's the big hurry? You don't got a boss here. You don't got to kiss anybody's butt. Just chill out, make a nice old-fashioned. I like to put in 1 cherry. Not just any old cherry. Maraschino cherries from Italy. All right. These cherries are addicting. Don't put a red cherry with a stem in it. This isn't a hot fudge sundae that you're making. This is a man drink. All right, so we started with a teaspoon of sugar, a splash of water to dissolve the sugar, 3 dashes of bitters, 3 ice cubes. I put my cherry in, and now for the bad boy, the Buffalo Trace. Hey guys, when you make your drink, think of it this way. I like Buffalo Trace. It's smooth, it's cost effective. I can buy it almost anywhere. I enjoy Buffalo Trace. Use what you like. If someone brings over a bottle of something random and you drink it and you almost die, it won't go good in your drink. Use something smooth. Use something that you enjoy. Otherwise, it's definitely not worth it. So, technically it's supposed to be 2 ounces of bourbon. I think a shot glass is pretty close to that, if not exact. Ding. Now to top it off, you're going to stick your orange inside. I just do the rim a little bit, and I lay it in there. And there you have it. Your old-fashioned. Your friends are going to be impressed. Next poker game, make them this.